Hello guys and welcome to another video from Time of Business. In this video we'll be talking about what MrBeast actually said about short form content. Will it be on YouTube or TikTok? Which one will have an edge on the other? Let's find out. Now, if you're new to the channel, Time of Business is the perfect place to learn on how to grow your online business. Whether you have a YouTube channel, a Shopify store, a Etsy store, a blog, this is where you need to be. So if that is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, let us know what you think in the comments below. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Lately, MrBeast appeared on a few podcasts and interviews, and he expressed his beliefs on where the future lies. So you can go and watch the full podcast. I will leave a link in the description below. So YouTube has made some big changes and some promising announcements because they want to be in competition with TikTok and with Instagram Reels. And most YouTubers, including MrBeast, believe that YouTube will actually be the future. So they believe that from 2023, we will actually see a large number of TikTok users actually coming to YouTube because they will actually earn more. And let me explain you how. So here are 4 things that you need to know about YouTube. So the first one is that actually YouTube launched a 100 million YouTube Shorts program in which they will pay YouTubers just like you that are making short form content, and if you are eligible you can actually claim your payment, and that will be anywhere between $100 and $10,000. So it isn't 100% sure how do you get maybe $100 or $10,000, but it is most likely on the number of views and how viral your short gets. The second thing that they did is that you can now actually apply for the YouTube Partner Program with just shorts. Now the requirement is quite big, so you need to have 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days in order to be eligible for that program. So the classic method is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hours in the last 12 months. Now the third thing, and maybe the most important, and that is what actually MrBeast referred to and said that that will be the decisive thing that will make YouTube actually win this race, is that from 2023, so from January, YouTube will actually pay you when ads are run on shorts. And they will give you 45% of all the earnings. So on the long form content, they give you 55, and here they take 55 and give you 45%. Now that is a big game changer, because when it comes to revenue, so you go on TikTok and you get 1 billion views and you maybe make like, I don't know, 100, 1,000, maybe $10,000. But if you go on YouTube and you hit that 1 billion, 1 million, you will most likely earn a lot of money. So this is the actual response of YouTube when it comes to short form video. And that is why everybody believes YouTube will actually win. Now, before we move forward with our video, if you find value from it, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment if you like, let us know what you think, what you would like to see next in the future videos. The fourth and last thing that MrBeast said is that from January, so from 2023, when YouTube will actually go with this program, a lot of users from TikTok, from Instagram will actually come to YouTube because you will earn more, and also those shorts will actually get you more subscribers, and you can actually encourage those subscribers, so those new subscribers from shorts, to actually watch your long form content. And also one of the most important things on YouTube that you need to understand is that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. So they both are owned by the same company, and you have to understand that in YouTube all that content is searchable. So that means that you can post a video now, so a short right now, and it can actually generate you subscribers, views and money in the future for maybe the next 10 years. So guys, you need to consider shorts right now. because they will get you a lot of subscribers, they will be searchable, they will be earning you a lot of money, and they will also promote your long form content. And do not forget, YouTube is searchable. Subscribe for more.